Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Expression of Truth. Today we will discuss vector, the term vector. It belongs to chapter 12, class XII, that means class plus 2 second year course. It is very necessary for mathematics and physics, okay, for students who are interested in physics. They should understand vector, okay. Before going to know the term vector, you should know what is physical quantity, right? Quantity connected with things that actually exist or can be seen, felt. It's rather than things that only exist in a person's mind, right? That means quantity connected with things. What? Physical quantity, it is a quantity. Connected with what? Things. What type of things? That actually exist. Very simple meaning, that actually exist, okay. That is real. In a synonymous, that is real, okay. Or for clarification, for clear understanding, or can be seen, felt. It's can be seen, felt. It's rather than means instead of, rather than things that only exist in a person's mind, right? Okay, so quantity connected with things which are real, okay, which actually exist. Very simple meaning, not only in a person's mind. That means which is not present only, which is not present only in a person's mind, okay. So we should emphasize on real, actual, exist. That means what type of exist you see? Can be seen, felt. It's rather than things that only exist in a person's mind. We emphasize on what? Seen, can be seen, felt, or what? Can be touched, okay. Like this, 5 sense organs, okay. We can know by the help of 5 sense organs, okay. So these quantities are called physical quantities, okay. You see, you can understand further. It can be divided into, understand, it can be divided into 2 types. Generally we divide it into 2 types. What? Scalar, vector, right? What is scalar quantity? You see, scalar quantity, a quantity which has magnitude and no direction. Okay, no direction. Quantity which has only magnitude. You can say a quantity which has only magnitude is called as scalar quantity. Very simple. Example, 30 meter, 4 kg. Okay. So what type of quantities are the scalar quantities? You see, height, length, okay, mass, volume, temperature, time, frequency, current, work, right? These are physical quantities, okay, because it has no direction, okay. It has what? It has a numerical value and a and unity. Okay, two things, numerical value and unity. Okay, so these are called scalar quantity. Then come to vector quantity. What is vector quantity? You should understand. A quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. As well as means and. Very simple. Synonymous of as well as is and. A quantity which has magnitude and direction. Okay, that type of quantity is called vector quantity. You see, 30 meter along east, 30 meter along east. Okay, so here magnitude is which? 30 meter is magnitude, along east it is direction. So total quantity, total expression is called as total, this quantity, total quantity is called vector quantity. That means vector quantity is what? 30 meter along east, right? Now I am explaining analytically what is vector quantity. You see, you should understand, for your clear understanding I am explaining. You see, initial position of a body is at A, right? Initial position of a body is A, say, let's say, and final position of that body is B, right? Okay, you see, a body A can move from A to B in different paths. Okay, you see, in this path it can move from A to what? B, right? It can move from like this in this path A to F, then F to B, right? A can move from A to E, then E to B. A can move A to C, C to D, then D to B. And A can move from A to B directly. Okay, in shortest path it can move. Okay, so this path we are okay, you see, so body A can move from A to B in shortest path. Okay, so here see is here this is here distance is 60 meter, here distance is 40 meter, here distance is what? 50 meter, here distance is 65 meter, but the shortest distance you see is 30 meter. Okay, so we can take this for our vector quantity. Okay, so here vector quantity is written is like this: A, B, here arrow mark from A to B. That means body moves from A to B. Okay, A, B, here you see. Okay, that means and what distance? A, B distance. Okay, so here vector quantity is written is like this: A, B, arrow mark. It means A, B means magnitude. A, B, 30 meter. Okay, 30 meter from A to B. Okay, you see here magnitude is A, B. Magnitude is what? A, B, length or shortest shortest distance. A, B is equal to 30 meter. Direction is from A to B. this A B arrow mark here you see, we say directed line segment. Directed line segment. You should understand. You should not understand this is a ray. Okay, this is a ray in geometry. Okay, so vector quantity is written is like this. Okay, so here displacement is what? A B vector quantity A B here with arrow mark. Okay, perhaps you have understood it clearly what is vector quantity. So here this quantity has magnitude as well as what? Direction. 30 meter from A to B. Here it represents direction, it represents magnitude. Okay. Example, other vector quantities, you see velocity, it is a vector quantity. Acceleration, force, weight, momentum, right? These are what? Vector quantity. Weight is a vector quantity because weight and force, you see, weight and force are equal. Okay. In case of gravity we say weight. Okay, we will discuss later time about weight. Okay, so these are what? Vector quantities. Okay, perhaps you have understood it clearly. I am explaining in odia vector quantity कौन आम देखिबा. फिजिकल क्वांटिटी प्रथमे आम जानिबा जे क्वांटिटा जेटा कि रियल हेतिबो, वास्तव हेतिबो, अर्थात पांचटा इंद्रिय द्वारा जेटा कि जानी होतबो सेही भलिया क्वांटिटी कहिबा आमे फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. नुहे कि खाली मन रे थिबो किंतु कोन जेटा कि पांचटा इंद्रिय द्वारा जानी होनतबो सेही भलिया नुहे. पांचटा इंद्रिय द्वारा जानी होतबो सेही क्वांटिटी कोन कहिबा फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. मन रे थिले मन रे जानी होतते हो किछि असुविधा नै, किंतु एई दिन साहाय्य रे कौन जापा पांचटा आमर सेन्स ऑर्गन द्वारा. मेसीन द्वारा भी सहज जो जानी हम से भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी भितर आसो है. तो आम यहाँ दीटा भाग कले स्केलर वेक्टर यूज कले. स्केलर कौन देखिले यहाँ कौन मैग्नीट्यूड थी एवं डायरेक्शन नथिबो. वेक्टर रे आम देखिले कौन मैग्नीट्यूड थी एवं डायरेक्शन थी. यहाँ उदाहरण नेले यहाँ हूँ कौन वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है. कहीं यहाँ मैग्नीट्यूड गोटे रहा 30 मीटरटा एवं एलंग ईस्ट यहाँ डायरेक्शन रहा. ये मुझे उदाहरण एनालिटिकली बुझापी उदाहरण नहीं ए रु बी टाक केमती मोशन करुच्ची विभिन्न पाथरे विभिन्न रास्तार कौन गति करुच्ची. आम सर्टेस्ट देखिले यहाँ 30 मीटर जेटा देखिले ए रु बी दिगटा किएठू आसला यू यही दिगरे आसला है. दिगटा हूँ एपटे केते मीटर गला ना 30 मीटर. अर्थात यू आम जदि 30 मीटर आम जा है पहुँचवा के ये तेणु 30 मीटर देख 30 मीटर जब नवा ये खाली जा 30 मीटर ए बाटे जापर ए बाटे जापर ए बाटे जापर ना. तो आम गोटे डायरेक्शन में जा ये पहुँचवा गले आम गोटे डायरेक्शन में गले है ये पहुँचले है. तो यहीटा को से कौन कह वेक्टर क्वांटिटी कहीं ना ये कौन रहा मैग्नीट्यूड रहा एवं डायरेक्शन गोटे कथा भी आसला. जदि आम खाली 30 मीटर कह 30 मीटर माने एपटे भी हो पार ए बाटे भी हो पार ए बाटे भी हो पार से कौन हो स्केलर क्वांटिटी हो. किंतु डायरेक्शन जदि आम रखीदे ता सांगर 30 मीटर ता सांगर डायरेक्शनटा गोटे कौन ताको एसोसिएट करदे ता सहित कनेक्ट करदे ताले सीटा कौन कह वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है. जदि आम खाली डायरेक्शन खाली रखा ये रखा 30 मीटर किसी रखानी खाली डायरेक्शन एपटे ताने कौन किसी बुझी हम कि. तेणु ये आमको नहीं पड़ो मैग्नीट्यूडटा नहीं पड़ो जे 30 मीटर कि 40 मीटर गोटे मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं पड़ो जोटा कि आम सहज जापर से वेक्टर क्वांटिटी कौन है. तो यहाँ मुझे एक्सप्लेन कली लेटर टाइम अन्य किसी पढ़ा वेक्टर क्वांटिटी विषय और फिजिक्स विषय पढ़ा लेटर टाइम केमी तार यूज कराऊँच फोर्स मोशन चैप्टर जो अच्छी से विषय पढ़ा. Thank you very much. Bye. And if you are facing any problems, you may convey in a comment box so that I can understand your problems and I can clarify your doubts. Thank you very much. Bye.